and welcome to Muxi's ESL World. Monkey in the Middle is a flashcard game using cups to practice vocabulary and sentences. It is very useful, especially for memorizing new words. How to play? Place as many flashcards as students in a circle and put a cup behind each flashcard. The teacher or one student in the middle act as a monkey. Play music. Kids go around the cards in a circle. When the music stops, they stand behind the flashcard. Now the teacher will call out a word, and whoever is standing behind that targeted card say the sentence structure like, "Here it is," or "I see a cat," or I have a cookie," "I want a car," "I'm wearing a t-shirt," "I like blue," "It's a rectangle," etc. And grab the cup before the monkey in the middle grab it. If the kids grab the cup and say the sentence structure, they get points. But if the monkey in the middle got someone's cup, then that student is a new monkey in the middle. Enjoy the video and write in the comments below. Here you go.
Nurse.
Nurse.
Wow.
Dentist. Dentist.
Oh. Police officer.
Police officer.
Baton.
Baton.
Oh. Shot.
We think, we ask, we sing, we ask, we think, and we ask. And stop there.
Remember your cards. Where is the lamb? Yay, sure guy, very good. Where is the cow? Here we go, Sophia got it. Where is the tractor? Where is the red post? Yeah! You have one more. Yes, Sandy. This one's for you. Ready? Where is the jacket? Yes, come on, Sandy. Put it back. Stand up, Sandy. Where is the hat? Ah, there it is. Where is the lamb? And Candy got it. Smart Candy. Where is the barn? And Judy got it. Where is the bathing suit? Yeah, so. Good job. 1, 2, 3, put the coffee. Yeah. Where is the chicken? Oh, here it is. Where is the lamb? Yes. Where is the rabbit? Where is the bathing suit? Yes. Where is the jacket? Yes, 4 got it. Where is the horse? Where is the tractor? Yes, got it. You are smart. Where is the hat? Ah, be careful. Where is the raincoat? Come on, Penny. Green triangle? Green triangle? Oh, yeah, got it. It's a green triangle. Very good. Red circle. Red circle. Wow. Excellent. Circle. Circle. Yes. Next.
Yellow triangle.
Yellow triangle. Wow, she got it. Yes.